Meet our amazing teammates. With teamwork and passion, we present PYRRO-3, in silico study of a multi-target inhibitor. Did you know? Every day, patients living with hypertension, diabetes, and bacterial infections face this reality. Multiple pills, multiple routines, leading to stress, inconvenience, and fatigue.
The problems is, these patients often need separate medicines for each disease. Not only does this increase the cost of treatment, but it also becomes inconvenient to manage and raises the risk of side effects. In the end, separate medicines for every disease only lead to one reality: too many pills, too many problems. A promising solution, we propose a new approach. A single compound, designed to fit multiple diseases at once. Instead of separate medicines for hypertension, diabetes, and infections, imagine one solution powerful enough to address them all.
Okay, now let's move on to the main question: why pyrrolidine? Pyrrolidine is a very important building block in modern drug discovery. Pyrrolidine is a proven medicinal scaffold with broad bioactivity, yet its multi-target potential is underexplored.
To address this, our project set out with a clear objective, which is to perform virtual screening of a designed library of pyrrolidine derivatives against three important biological targets: ACE, which regulates blood pressure, alpha amylase, which affects blood sugar, and E. coli enzymes, which are linked to bacterial infections. For this study, we used AutoDock Vena as our docking tool.
We conducted a molecular docking study using AutoDock Vena, screening a library of pyrrolidine derivatives and comparing their binding energies with standard drugs for each disease, where more negative values indicated stronger predicted binding. The findings were very promising. Many of the derivatives showed strong binding affinity to ACE and alpha amylase, in some cases performing better than the standard reference drugs. One derivative in particular, the phenyl-substituted pyrrolidine, stood out. It showed the strongest binding across multiple targets, making it the most promising candidate as a multi-target inhibitor. While most research focuses on one disease at a time, our research explores how a single compound could address three major health problems simultaneously.
Our project bridges computation and medicine, linking molecular docking, drug design, and innovation. Together, we can turn digital predictions into real-world solutions. Now let's move on to its industry benefit.
In today's pharmaceutical landscape, the biggest challenge is finding treatments that are effective, affordable, and accessible. That's where PYRRO-3 stands out. It's not just another compound, but a smarter approach to drug discovery. With a single drug that can target multiple diseases, treatment becomes simpler and more convenient for patients. By generating early-stage leads for broad-spectrum drugs, we can significantly reduce the time needed for development. This strategy also lowers the high costs of drug discovery, making innovative solutions more accessible. Instead of relying on many different drugs, one solution can address multiple conditions, paving the way for faster, more efficient, and cost-effective healthcare.
By unlocking the multi-target potential of pyrrolidine, we're paving the way for more efficient, affordable, and patient-friendly treatments. This is PYRRO-3, one idea, many targets, real impact.